Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an HTML file and just some basics around HTML. So to start off, I'm using Visual Studio Code. I find it helps and I find it works a lot better than a bunch of the other editors. So we're just going to start by right clicking over on the right or on the left side here, new file, creates a little window up here where you're going to type in main.html. You can see it also has these little arrow brackets here. So that's what yours should look like as well. And then now getting to the coding. So I'm just going to minimize this side window here. So to start off, we're just going to refresh this window on the right side here because this is where our text should show up. Okay, so it's all caught up now. All right. So to start, we'll make an opening bracket, HTML. So inside these brackets is where we're going to put all of our HTML code. Now, a basic format for HTML is having a head or a header and having a body. So I'll make a header and a body. Now if we save this and refresh, you can see there'll still be nothing on the right side because we haven't put any other information into this yet. So let's make an H1 tag. Now, being as you guys are beginners, I'm going to show you all the different types of sizes here. So H1 is it's the biggest header you can have, and we'll just go from there. So you can have an H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, and I believe there's an H5 tag. Yep. All right. Now, when determining what size you want to have your tags, you want to decipher it based off of what number this is. So 5 being the smallest and 1 being the largest. So we're just going to type in some text here. This is H1. This is H2. This is H3. And this is H4. One more. This is H5. So now that we have all those, we can save and refresh this on the right side and we should see some text. Yep, so you can see here you can choose whatever H, I guess you would say, whatever H you want based off the size here. So typically you'd use like H1 or H2 for the headers, maybe H4 or H5 for subheaders, or H3. Now getting to the body, this is where you put majority of the code. And we'll start by using a p tag. For reference, p tag is a paragraph tag. So we'll just do a little H3 here for a little subheader. We'll just put that there. Paragraph. Studio code. All right, now let's refresh this right side here. So as you can see, so H3 is about the size of, actually I would say H4 is probably the exact same size as a paragraph tag, but notice how all the H tags are bolded as well off the start. And so you can see our code down here. And I feel like that's a good spot to stop, as this is just a beginning video. And if you guys want to see some more HTML content in the future, just let me know. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. I'd appreciate it if you guys subscribe, as it helps greatly, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.